Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about speech recognition, and there is a module called speech recognition, which is used for recognizing a speech or a text. And you will learn how a text or speech is taken as an input, and after being processed, um, after running the code, how you can get your speech as an output in the Jupyter notebook. So, for enabling this or importing the speech recognition module, you need to download the speech recognition using Anaconda. This is the link that I'm going to open. So, this is the package. Conda Forge package is speech recognition. So, you need to install your appropriate package for Anaconda. If you are using Windows, go for Windows, or if you are using Linux or iOS, then go for all those softwares. And after this, um, there is another one module needed called Pi Audio to get audio from the microphone from your PC or laptop. So this is the link about Pi Audio. To install the Pi Audio, the Anaconda package, these are the options for all the installers for different types of operating systems or platforms, and this is the command to install it. I'm going to close this one. Now next, here we will see in this notebook or the script how we can use the speech recognition module to convert a speech or whatever you say from your own voice as a user, how to convert it to text. And you can also extend it as per your need or as per your choice. Next, so we are going to use a recognize underscore Google method, which is a default API key, which basically helps for the speech recognition. So whatever you say, the Jupyter audio and Jupyter notebook will be able to analyze it and give the output accordingly based on your speech or text, whatever you say. So first thing, you need to import the speech recognition as SR, a temporary variable. Now, to get the audio from the microphone, this is the part of the code. So the speech recognition, the SR, will be able to call the recognizer function, and that will activate the audio from the microphone. So whatever you will say, any speech or any text, that will be recognized and added to or assigned to R. Now with the sr.microphone as source, so here what will happen, it will give you an option that whatever you will speak, it will listen to that, and then it will, after listening to the source, it will give you the output as the audio. Now through the try except block, the Google speech recognition API, the recognize underscore Google function, it converts the given audio, whatever you say here from the top part, that will be converted into a text. And let's say the due to some reason your microphone or your laptop is not able to recognize your voice, then it will generate any type of error such as unknown value error or a request error accordingly. So let's run the code and see what happens. So here it's asking me to speak something. Let me run it again. My name is Somya. Yeah. So here, see, I spoke something that is my name is Somya, and it wrote that thing. It analyzed my speech, and it displayed the text as you said. The text is my name is Somya. Now the text has the value as my name as Somya. Now let's say due to some reason in your computer, this part of the code is not working. Then to run the sequential part after, or the following part, you need to have text assigned to something. Okay, so you need to assign something. You may write my name is Somya or hi my name is Joe, something like this. If this part of the code, this works properly, then you don't have to go to this part and execute this. If the first part doesn't work, then you have to uncomment it and then run it in order to have some value in the variable text. Now let's see what is analyzing intents. So intent means an intention or purpose of a text or a speech. You may know that in some of the websites and banking websites, you may have seen there are digital assistants, or your insurance provider website or any doctor's website. There may be digital assistants or chatbots to which you communicate or chat, and you specify a message. Then the chatbot automatically, if there isn't a particular person present on the other side to reply to you, the chatbot can analyze your text, can understand the intent of your text or message, then will respond accordingly. So we are going to see that kind of example here. Um, so here I'm just trying to import the date time for using the today's date. And the intent list, there is a list which has four set of values. Okay, this is a tuple which has some phrase and some intent. So this is the list. We are going to pass this list in the following part of the code. So let's say the phrase is in the text, and then we are going to respond using the appropriate intent. So first, intent unknown is equals to true, the variable. Now inside the intent list, we will parse over or go over phrase and intent, or through each of the values one by one, through all the four values. So it will test here. If the intent is equal to a name, it will split that, put it in name, then it will strip it. That means it will try to understand each individual word in your message or text. Then it will print this. After having your name only, it will strip your name and put it in here. Nice to meet you, your name, whatever you have entered. And then intent unknown is set to false, and after you are done with this, you can break out of the if statement. But let's say the intent is a date. Let's say rather than providing a name, you are providing a date. So it is supposed to take the date time, the current timestamp value of my computer, and then it will give the today's time like this. So for giving the time, there is a function called strf time, and it converts the current time to a date time format, a string to a date time format, first month, then day, then year. So let's see. As you know, the text initially here, what happened? The text now has a value as my name is Somya. So this is a name type of intent. Let's say this part is working or not. This part should actually output nice to meet you and my name, that is Somya. So let's see whether it is printing that or not. Yes, it's printing that. Okay. So this is how a speech recognition module works.